Joe Beermaster, Car Master here. Today we have a 2022 Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you where the spare tire is. So what you want to do is open the tailgate. And I got to warn you, some of these do not come with a spare. I don't know the reason for that because I've seen several of them that do, several that don't. So now we're in the compartment here, rear compartment. I'm not going to move all this stuff, but there's a little carpet here and a little button. Push that down there. You lift up, and right there is where the spare is supposed to be, in that well. And this one does not have a spare. I'm going to do a little research into why some don't come with spares and some do, and what their options are to inflate the tire or change. I know some of them want you to call a dealer or roadside assistance, but that's where the tire would be located if you have one and your jacket spare kit. I hope this helped. Joe Beermaster, please subscribe.